to Sign Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in. I'm here to update you of what's going to happen on Generation the Lakers from the 5th to the 9th of May 2025 on Monday. Luke doesn't take her blessing for granted. Kamogelo resent being interrogated by his elders. Lucy decides to do some investigating of her own on Tuesday. Hlomla landed himself in trouble. Ayanda keeps adding to an already huge pile of pressure. Juju bears his feet well when Jackie challenges him on Wednesday. Spare is told to mind her own business. Clearly, Kumo and his nephew are not on the same page. Figile is mortified that the secret is out on Thursday. Sam is given a reality check. Kamogelo realizes something is very wrong. Lucy is horrified by what she witnesses on Friday. Namhla refuses to be treated like a child. Melukuhle is in two minds about taking Mpo's advice. Jack won't be anybody's punching bag. Well guys, that's all I have for today. You can leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye. I'm back to Sign Live Show, and thank you so much guys for tuning in.